All right, today let's talk multifamily assets. It's a hot one out there. And I was looking at real estate publications this weekend. If you're a multifamily investor, you're going to have be laser focused. 36% of the total transactions done in commercial real estate were multifamily. Industrial was a second, and now is at 20%. So, you're in a market that is very, very hot right now. Just in, I want to say it was Q2 of this year, quarter over quarter, the transactions on multifamily was up over 34%, coming to about 52.7 billion. So it's a big number. As you're really out there trying to invest, you're going to want to focus on tertiary and secondary markets, because the core markets, like I'm in LA right now, anything here, nothing. The inventory is so low that it's very, very difficult. So if you're going to find a investment property, you're going to want to be on those phones. You're going to want to be cold calling. You're going to be working with a broker that is so focused on you that, every day they need to be on those phones, calling those numbers. But if you want to be in core. Now, secondary and tertiary markets, again, a good market. You can find some great assets there. Class B, Class C, really solid. Class A has been kind of done to death, especially by institutional investors. But which brings me to this. This was surprising to me, because you always see all these big, Blackstones of the world that are buying all this inventory. Most of the deals done across the nation were done by mom and pops. That was surprising to me. So small operators are out there buying up inventory. It's getting done, but the focus, again, secondary and tertiary markets. Make sure that you've got an exit strategy as you're calling. So let's say, when I say exit strategy, I mean for the people that you're calling on. If you're calling on a mom and pop, and they've had this property, they can't depreciate it out, you need to have a conversation with them about, let's get you, how can I help you find another property? And maybe you work with your broker on this, or it's your broker's going to call, and make sure they give these people an exit strategy. They have a way out. So maybe they want to sell their multifamily and move to something that is a little less property management intensive, like a triple net. So, and maybe they want to look at other states, and there's 9 other states that are tax-free states. Maybe they want to move there and get a little bit better return. There's a lot of things you need to really take a look at before you just jump on the phones and start cold calling, because with this lack of inventory, you're going to have to be the best at what you're doing, and that's going to be by being the most informed person out there. So if you have any questions, reach out, DM me, and I will try and answer all of your questions.